Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to set up an email alias in Outlook, a great way to organize your inbox and separate different types of emails. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Outlook on your computer. This process doesn't work from the phone app. Log into your account, then click the Settings gear in the top right corner. On the left side under Settings, make sure you're in the Mail section, then click Forwarding and IMAP. Scroll down until you see the Email Aliases section and select Manage or choose Primary Alias. This is where you can add a new alias. Outlook gives you two options: create a brand new email address to use as an alias, or add an existing email address as a Microsoft alias. Once you choose your option, just follow the on-screen steps and your alias will be added. This makes managing multiple email types much easier and keeps everything organized. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.